Hey, I've got the Dr. Price's Energy Vites. They sent these to me. I just wanted to kind of go over the mixability and the taste, because those are the two things that I look for the most when I'm getting any kind of these powdered drinks. And this is the Tropical Breeze flavor. Let's just put it in there. There's all kinds of good stuff in here. Now this is it's a stim free, no caffeine in this. You got your B vitamins, there's CoQ10 in there. Couple of other things, but you just mix it up and let's see if there's any clumping. I see a couple of clumps there. Okay, they're gone. So that mixed up relatively easy. Let's give it a taste and see what we're dealing with. This is not an electrolyte drink mix. This is a vitamin drink mix. So you're gonna have a little bit of that vitamin-y type taste, I guess is the way I would put it. It's not bad though. This is their Tropical Breeze flavor. So let's give it another sip here. Okay, a little bit of bitterness, but not bad. I do have the sweet flavor in there. Energy enhancing vitamins and minerals in here. So you're getting a lot. You can read, I'm not gonna go over all the ingredients. You can read that for yourself. The question is this sustainable? So if I was gonna get a pack of these and they come in a 30 pack, would I be able to actually drink one of these every single day and not get sick of it? And the answer to that is yes, okay? I've had quite a few of these different powders over the years. If I was gonna grade it like 1 out of 10, I'm gonna give it like an 8. Maybe they could have put a little bit more sweetener in there, but other than that, this is replacing like a ton of supplements that I have in my cabinet. I've got tons of containers there, so yeah, that's good, that's good. Yeah, they did a good job with that. For vitamins, it's really hard to get vitamins to taste good, so they did a good job with that. That's the Tropical Breeze, you're getting a 30 pack. All right, so get some of that natural energy going, pick these up, check them out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.